Hey guys, this is Mike with MrNoFluff.com, and today is winter. It's actually raining. I don't know if you guys can see. I'm wearing suit, but as you can see, I'm wearing sandals, guys. And the reason that is because my last shoes I give to the homeless guy, which was pretty brand new, and all my other shoes I had given to all the other homeless people before I left on my journey. So right now I only have one shoe, dude, and it just happens to be a sandal. But it's cold and it's raining. But that's all I got, dude. But I'm very, very thankful because I do have a warm home to go to. I do have running water. Many people, not only in America, but also many other countries, they don't even have these shoes, or they're homeless, or they're staying in the cold weather, or they may be sick in the hospital bed, or worse, they might have everything, but in their own mind, they're already defeated. In their own mind, they feel like they can't do something. So I just want to show you guys. Look, dude, it's winter. I got my little rain. It's raining, but I'm walking in sandals, dude. And that's the only shoe I got, and I'm highly blessed and highly favored. So I'm highly blessed and highly favored, guys. Hustle. Don't take no for answer, no matter what your situation.